Imagine having the ability to think faster, retain more information, and unlock the full potential of your brain, just like a high-performance athlete training for the Olympics. What if I told you that with the right strategies, you could rewire your brain for peak performance? Today, we'll dive into the science of cognitive enhancement, uncover the latest research, and reveal powerful techniques to supercharge your brain. Stay with me because, at the end, I'll share a bonus tip that even top neuroscientists swear by. 1. The brain's amazing ability to evolve. For centuries, scientists believed the brain was fixed. But today we know about neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt, grow, and change. This means that, with the right training, you can significantly boost memory, focus, and intelligence. One of the most famous studies on neuroplasticity examined London taxi drivers. Scientists discovered that their hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory, was significantly larger than that of the average person. Why? Because they spent years memorizing the complex maze of London streets. This proves that the brain strengthens itself based on what you train it to do. Cognitive training boosts intelligence. A 2023 study published in Nature Neuroscience found that engaging in cognitive training exercises for just 20 minutes a day can increase working memory capacity and fluid intelligence by 12% in just 6 weeks. This means you can actually train your brain to think and process information more effectively. 2. The role of sleep in brain performance. You might think pulling an all-nighter makes you more productive, but the truth is, lack of sleep destroys cognitive function. Your brain needs sleep to consolidate memories, remove toxins, and regenerate neurons. Magnus Carlsen, the world's top chess player, prioritizes sleep like an elite athlete. He ensures he gets at least 9 hours a night, knowing that even the smallest cognitive decline could cost him a championship. A 2024 study from Harvard Medical School revealed that people who get 7 to 9 hours of sleep perform 40% better on memory tests than those who get less than 6 hours. Sleep is not just rest, it's a mental power boost. 3. The diet that supercharges brain function. Your brain consumes about 20% of your daily energy, which means that what you eat directly impacts cognitive function. A study of elderly individuals in Italy found that those who followed the Mediterranean diet rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and lean proteins maintained their cognitive abilities well into their 80s and 90s. A 2023 study from Johns Hopkins University found that individuals who consumed high levels of omega-3 fatty acids found in fish, walnuts, and flax seeds had 30% higher cognitive function scores than those who didn't. Brain fuel matters. 4. Mental exercises to strengthen your brain. Like a muscle, your brain needs regular exercise to stay sharp. Here are 3 science-backed ways to train your brain. Dual unbacked training. This exercise is proven to increase working memory and intelligence by forcing your brain to track patterns and sequences. Meditation and mindfulness. Meditation thickens the prefrontal cortex, improving focus and emotional regulation. Learning a new skill, whether it's a new language or an instrument, continuously learning strengthens neural connections. 5. The power of physical exercise. Surprisingly, one of the best ways to enhance brain function is moving your body. Story: The brain and running connection. Dr. John Rady, a Harvard psychiatrist, calls exercise miracle-grow for the brain because it releases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which promotes brain growth, exercise, and brain health. Studies show that just 30 minutes of aerobic exercise 3 times a week can increase brain volume and reduce the risk of cognitive decline by 40%. 6. The power of focus and deep work. In today's digital age, our attention spans are shorter than ever. Training your brain to focus is the ultimate superpower. Tips for deep focus. The Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes. Take a 5-minute break. Eliminate distractions, silence notifications, and create a dedicated workspace. Practice mindful reading. Instead of skimming, engage deeply with content. 7. Social connection and brain health. Did you know that loneliness shrinks your brain? Social interaction stimulates neural activity and keeps your mind sharp. A Harvard study spanning 80 years found that strong social relationships were the biggest predictor of long-term brain health and happiness. Cold showers and cognitive performance. This might surprise you, but taking a cold shower can shock your nervous system into a high-performance state. A 2024 study in the Journal of Cognitive Neuroscience found that cold exposure for 2 minutes increases alertness, enhances mood, and boosts focus for hours. Try it's like hitting the reset button on your brain. Your brain is your most powerful asset. By optimizing sleep, diet, exercise, focus, and mental training, you can unlock limitless cognitive potential. Which of these brain-boosting tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And remember, your mind is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed self-improvement tips.